Hi!
Hello everyone! Good evening, good morning, good afternoon. Welcome to Joseph and
Rosie's channel. Ay, sorry.
Welcome everyone! Hello! We're here and I'm Joseph.
And I am Rosie.
And welcome to Joseph and Rosie.
Show!
We're on episode 4 now. Wow, it's getting exciting anyway.
Yes.
So ngayon, we're gonna use we're gonna cook. What is we're gonna cook? Ano tawag dito?
Dumplings. I
Dumpling.
think easy dumplings.
Easy dumplings. Oh, yes.
Tama ba?
Easy dumplings or lumpia or spring roll.
Dim sum.
Dim sum wrap.
Dim
Dim
sum
sum wrap.
Yeah.
Because dim sum, there's different kinds of dim sum.
Dim sum, yeah.
So, there's a dim sum na it's like you put it, ano bang tawag
In
doon?
yung lumpia wrapper.
Oh, lumpia wrapper.
Meron sa molo.
Yes, yeah.
Lumpia ay
But
molo
we're
wrapper.
gonna use right now is
Rice paper.
rice paper. Rice wrapper. Yeah.
paper.
So, it
Rice
is-
paper yung tawag.
Oh, rice paper.
Tinignan ko pa, no?
Oh, rice paper.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's made out of rice.
Oo.
It's so nice, oh. Ang galing ng texture niya, oh. Ang galing, guys. Anyway. Okay, so, ano na ngayon? Unahin muna natin yung ingredients. So, again,
Yes.
we're here to be cooking
Or
yung,
preparing
food.
na easy to do
easy to do,
at easy to cook.
faster to cook. Yeah. So, again, sa mga taong mga
Mabilisan.
mabilis ang pagluluto at saka
Yeah.
yung mga working parents, working people na kailangan na yung alam mo yun, hindi nila kailangan ng matagal ang pagluluto but mabilisan niya. They need for lunch, for their break.
Because of their busy life.
Busy life, yes.
Busy life.
Siyempre, meron tayong mga kids.
Yes.
Yeah. So, we're gonna preparing, so these are three different ways of cooking it or preparing it or making it.
Yes.
Right? So, we have the shrimp
Yes.
version. Bango, may isda. We have the pork version.
Yes.
And then we have the veggie version. Dun sa veggies, if you wanna put tokwa, we don't have tokwa right now. But if you're planning to do a veggie, kung you don't eat meat or fish or anything, you can do just veggie. Papakita rin namin kung paano. But you can also put tofu.
Pero we're not doing the tofu.
Yeah, we're not doing the tofu, but
Dalawa lang yung ipe-prepare namin.
yes, but it's the same. It's
Yeah.
the same way. You just have to fry the tofu, slice it and dice it. So
Hindi, mas maganda na i-cram. Ang tawag,
durugin
durugin.
yung tofu.
Yung tofu.
Yeah. So you're gonna smash it or you're gonna slice it into small dice.
Yeah.
So it
Parang
depends on you.
parang maging siya, pork.
Maging grind pork.
Oo, ground.
Giniling na pork. Yeah, kung mayaman ka tapos kung you have the money to buy tofu. Actually, tofu is cheaper than the pork sa Pilipinas, I think. Kasi you can just go to the gumagawa ng mga taho.
Taho, yeah.
They-
Nanay ko bumibili sa nagtataho sa amin.
Yeah, me too sa Mandaluyong, sa Marikina. Merong gumagawa ng taho doon. Hello, shoutout sa mga tao dyan sa Mandaluyong. So, malapit sa Roosevelt. Gumagawa sila ng taho. And then, meron sila mga remaining na kung ano yung mga tira ng taho. Yun yung ginagawa nilang tofu.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hindi ko alam kung paano yung process ng paggawa, pero
It's really amazing. It's nice. Kaya yung mga gumagawa niyan, gabi pa lang gising na. Kasi process ay mahabang process. Anyway, going back to sa gagawin namin. So, yun ang ingredients is, for us, meron kami, again, yung meron lang dito. Meron kami, tawag dito? Celery. May available na celery. Carrots. And then, onion leaves.
Yeah.
Yan, kasi may kami lugaw, tsaka So, if you can also use potato.
Oh, pwede.
kuha ka ng potato. That's what we forgot. I'm gonna prepare the potato as well while she preparing for her food. I'm gonna slice the potato as well. Same cut as well. Na-prepare na namin kasi yung yung ingredients. But what we're gonna do is this small.
Idadice lang.
Idadice nyo lang siya. Same goes with the celery. At saka
gusto nyo pino, mag-food processor kayo.
Oh yeah, if you have the grinder, you can use it the same way as well. It's up to you. I think mas mabilis yun. Pero kasi you have to wash it and stuff. But for me, just slice in small pieces. Kasi i-steam natin siya, hindi natin siya i-fry. Pwede nyo rin i-fry if you want to fry it. Pero
for this video,
we're just gonna do steam. Okay, we're gonna show you how to make the sauce as well. Gagawa siya ng sarili niya, and then I'm gonna make my own kasi I'm thinking of something na it's really good as well. Okay? Alright, anyway, I will turn the preparing for my lovely wife here. Siya nang bahala kung anong gagawin niya for siyang gagawa dun sa shrimp part. Cool.
Kailangan ko yung
while I'm slicing this.
Okay, we have
so nakalimutan niya yung warm water.
yung warm water. We're just gonna soak yung isasoak lang natin yung rice paper ng 5 minutes doon sa warm water. Okay. Yan. Ito natin to dito. Then, the shrimp.
Napakadali lang guys. As in, super easy. Super easy to make.
So, sa shrimp, ang unahin muna natin is shrimp lang. Tapos yung green onion leaves. Tapos, yun na yun.
Yun na yun.
Dagdagan pa natin.
Ito mo na ilagay yung...
Hindi ako mag-perfect. Pero, yan.
Alam mo, ang sarap-sarap talaga pag matalim yung kutsilyo.
Yan.
Sarap-sarap maghiwa.
Yan. Perfect.
So, yun lang yung shrimp.
Susubukan naman natin na may tawag dito, may ibang gulay yung shrimp.
Yeah, kung gusto niyo
for the variety.
Yeah, kung gusto niyo for example, gusto niyo na
Actually, hiniram ko lang kasi yung recipe na to. Nakita ko lang siya. Sabi ko, madali itong gawin, i-share namin.
Yes.
So, that's the reason why we're doing this. So, sabi ng asawa ko, 2 klase lang yung gagawin namin. Yan, at saka yung lahat ng yung original na nakita ko. Tapos, lahat ng kaya ang magiging lasa kapag lahat ng gulay. Yes po. Meron ka ng patatas dyan, mahal ko. Yun. Para
so,
lang naglalaro.
Titingnan lang natin kung anong
magiging masarap. Magiging lumpiang gulay.
Yeah, yun nga iniisip ko eh. First, lumpiang gulay, shrimp version.
Yes.
Shrimp version.
Ayan lang po. So, 2 version lang yung ginawa natin.
Yes.
Ayan. That's for me.
Not for her.
Yun. Tapos i-steam na lang natin yan later.
Yun. So, ang akin naman, same thing. Ang gagawin naman natin is yung pork. Pero yung pork, igigisa ko pa muna siya. Just to cook it. So, ayan o. So, normally, para maluto kagad yung manok or yung pork.
Diyan mo
Lagyan mo ng tubig. Tapos papakuluan, put it in high. And then while we're waiting for that, gagawin ko na yung vegetable version. O yung lang pala, yung let's pretend na ito yung tofu. So yung tofu, like I said, hindi naman ganito kaliit yung pagkaka-dice nyo. You can dice it like 1 or quarter inch by quarter inch size. And then yun yung magiging ano nyo, yung para bang magiging sahog or yung meat nyo. Yung galing oh, nagiging malambot na yung ano oh. Tapos nagiging transparent siya oh. I'm so amazed oh. Yan.
Ang saya, no?
Ayun. Let's see what's gonna... Well, it's gonna be bland kung yung lasa nito kung ito lang. Tapos wala siyang ibang... So, ito, basically, meron siyang kasamang sauce.
Oo, may sauce siya.
Mamaya, gagawin yung sauce mamaya.
While ginigisa niya, gagawin ko na yung sauce.
Yes. So, ito, gulay lang. Ay, I forgot to put the ano.
The onion leaves.
The onion leaves. Yan, gulay lang siya talaga. Kasing gulay lang. So, we'll see what's gonna happen later. Right?
Mm-hmm. Hindi mo nahigpitan. It's
Okay.
getting loose.
It's getting loose ba? O hindi ko nirap ng properly.
Maayos, yeah. Wala na, ano na siya eh.
Nadikit na siya.
Nadikit na siya. Kaya mo na. Kaso baka lalabas kasi siya. So, gawan mo na lang kaya ng isa.
So, ako kasi, nag-work ako sa McDonald's. So, we make wraps. I used to work in KFC as well. So, yung pagra-wrap, what I always say sa pagra-wrap, even sa lumpia, sa akin lang to don't judge me. So, yung paglarap ng lumpia or anything, so, you fold on both sides, then roll it.
Oh, yeah. That's what I do. Pero ikaw, hindi yun yung ginawa mo.
Hindi ba ganun yung ginawa ko? Hindi ganun yung ginawa ko.
Hindi.
Kasi binuklat-lat ko kasi.
Uli.
Yung sinabi niya sa akin yung gagawin niya, naisip ko rin kung ano pa yung iba pang way. Alam mo naman ako, mataba yung utak ko. Yun. Alright, so naluto na yung pork. And then I'm gonna go ahead and make my version of her lumpia in pork style.
Bless you.
So again, if you wanna use kung gagamit po kayo ng rice paper, make sure that you use hot water or warm water, I mean, para lumambot yung rice, yung paper, kasi hindi siya malambot. And para din siya dumikit actually. So, papalibutan ko muna siya na ito. Pagsasama-samahin ko na, let's see what's gonna taste like later. And then yung pork.
Kamihan mo na.
Woo!
Dahan-dahan. Init.
Yan o.
Ayusin mo.
Once you make that, ibabrush mo siya ng sesame oil or ng butter. It's really up to you guys. So again, potato, carrots, celery, leaf onion or onion leaves, and then pork. Ang dami mo naman. You know. Alright, so after you wrap it, ilalagay mo na yung sesame oil or butter. Para lang hindi dumikit doon sa ano. Kasi the rice paper itself is already sticky. And then, ilalagay na natin siya dito sa steamer natin.
So now we're gonna be doing the sauce. So 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, any kind. Oyster sauce. 2 tablespoons as well. Sesame oil. 1 tablespoon of sugar. 1/4 cup of water. And you just mix them well. I have here, meron ako dito chili sauce if gusto namin later. But here, that's your sauce. And we will try it later.
So, yung chili sauce,
It's up to you po
It's
kung
up to you.
optional naman lang.
it's optional kasi you can either use the
Real chili.
siling labuyo
Yeah.
or kung hindi mo naman gusto na maanghang, then just don't put
Yes.
chili on it. Alright, so we're back. So, kanina, we already pinakita namin sa inyo.
How to prepare.
You prepare it and then you steam it. You wait
For 8 minutes.
8 to
Yeah.
10 minutes.
8 to 10 minutes.
8 to 10 minutes. And then also you put them on the paper, hindi na pinakita hindi na namin napakita sa video. But you put it before you put it on the steamer on the metal piece. So you put parchment paper on it. Divide na namin sa isa't isa and I was not able to grab it properly kaya ito na medyo na-destroy ko ng konti. And we already showed you as well kung how to make the sauce as well. Now we're gonna taste test. So ladies first.
Yes.
So meron tayo kanina all vegetable and then there's meat. I got the all vegetable and then I have the shrimp with vegetable. Sa kanya, she has the shrimp and the liver onions or the leaf onions. And then she also got the pork and the vegetable. So we're gonna see and check kung actually na-try ko na masarap siya.
Ako ngayon pa lang.
Siya pa lang. Ngayon pa lang. So, again, if you want it spicy, you can always put spicy sauce or chili sauce. Or if you don't have access to it, if you have siling labuyo or if you have jalapeno, yes, you can also use that. But, yeah. So, here we go. Taste test. Taste test kami.
I'm putting some,
So, she will put spice chili sauce on it. I don't. Kasi it's already late.
So, let's try it.
Ito na ha. Yan. Oh, laki-laki ng susubo ko ha. Hindi ko nalagyan na masyadong sauce kaya walang laki.
Good.
So it's important to have the sauce ha kasi again everything is plain from scratch.
Yung
The
sauce
sauce.
talaga ang magbibigay ng spices.
Spices and not only the taste as well. So kanina may extra giniling. So what I did, I invented another food. Yun naman ay papakita ko sa inyo next week. Mabilis lang siya kasi madalian lang talaga ito. Super quick. Super fast.
Pero pwedeng bawasan yung olive, yung sesame oil if they don't want overpowering yung
Or if they don't want kasi medyo oily siya eh. So if you really don't want an oily sauce, we would recommend put less sesame oil. Kasi yung sesame oil is just for fragrant actually. Fragrant and ano. That's what the sesame oil it does. You just put some drops on it. So, we got this video from a TikTok.
No, actually, not TikTok, but
Facebook.
Tingnan natin. My Healthy Dish.
My Healthy Dish. Shout out to you. We got
Thank
this
you.
from you. Thank you
Yeah.
so much. My Healthy Dish. So, again, it's healthy. Yeah, it's healthy food. Right?
Kasi yung kanya is yung ano lang talaga, shrimp and yung onion leaves. We just have some pork.
Kasi I wanna try it. Para din siyang dim sum eh. Right? It's a dim sum. If, anong tawag doon? Yung siomai. Para siyang siomai actually. But you homemade. And it's easy to prepare.
Yeah.
You know?
Crap.
Yeah.
So, with all the
With the sauce, with especially actually yung yung pork, no? Yung pork and
gulay.
the potato, yung gulay, yung veggies, combine them together, it's really nice. With the sauce as well. I did not expect it to be this good. So, tingnan nyo, ubos na
Malapit pa lang. Saan kasi madami.
And then, kung gusto nyo pa medyo matamis, go ahead and put some more sugar.
Sugar. Kasi,
Or if you're diabetic, don't put sugar, you can put honey. Right? Honey. Kasi you can mix it as well.
yes.
So, yun lang. And then we're just gonna eat.
Yeah. Ano bang pag-uusapan natin ngayon?
Okay. While we're eating, pag-uusapan na natin. So, here in Canada, alam mo kung wala yung sauce, napaka-bland talaga niya.
Oo, totoo naman.
Sorry.
Yung
Kasi,
sauce talaga yung buhay nitong nung dim sum.
Yeah.
Yung sa siomai naman, di ba? Lahat naman ng dim sum, yung mga soy sauce.
no, there's some pork na yung harap eh.
Ah,
Di ba yung last time, yung siomai na niluto ko, yung mabilisan,
yung dumpling.
yung dumpling,
May season na.
may season na siya eh. Kasi it's all the combination of Anyway, so going back to sa pinag-uusapan natin. So, this month, we also celebrate here in Canada, aside from Valentine's Day, is Family Day. So, we're gonna talk about family, actually. We will discuss ano ba talaga yung family, what's the definition, kung ano ba yung, alam mo yun, ano ba yung family na yan? What is, meron bang relation dun sa Bible? So, what is really family for you?
For me, kung ano yan, i-define, kung if going back doon sa napag-aralan nung batang-bata pa, or grade school day, sabi doon, sa Civica at Kultura, if I'm not mistaken, sabi doon, family is the smallest unit of a community. Yun yung, yun yung pinaka definition niya. Pero, I think, there are, sa buhay natin, merong different kinds of family. May biological family, merong spiritual family, at saka meron ding family by choice. At saka, I think family by choice is dun magpo-fall on, sa akin, biological family is your biological family, your mom, your dad, your siblings. Yan yung mga tsaka kasama na dun yung immediate family mo, yung mga lolo-lola, mga ganyan-ganyan. Tapos, doon naman sa spiritual family, ito yung mga kasama mo sa church, yung spiritual leaders mo, spiritual friends mo na matatawag. And then, yung family by choice, ito yung mga family, parang, di ba, meron tayong sinasabi na
kapatid mo sa ibang nanay, mga ganon, pwedeng ganon yung sitwasyon, or
Friends.
yeah, na talagang
Close
tinuturing mo na talaga na
Family.
na pamilya. So, yun yung
There's
sa akin.
family, like family friends yung tinatawag. Yung parents mo at saka yung parents ng friend mo, they're like turingan nila family. That's, yung friend by choice. Actually, for me, pareho nga tayo, pareho. There's a biological family. There is also the spiritual family. There's also like work-related family, your team family, you know. Pero for me, of course, you guys are gonna ask, well, they're not family. They're family are yung sinasabing family. There's a dad, there's a mom, there's kids, there's 3 of them. Not necessarily, kasi alam mo, family, ano ba talaga yung definition ng family, di ba? Let's talk about ano ba talaga. Kasi pag sinearch mo sa Google, search mo nga sa Google, ano yung definition ni ano? Then, definition ni family. What is family? For us, kumbaga, for me anyway, a family would definitely, a family is, yan, a fundamental social unit consisting of people. Yun yung sinasabi ko, consisting of people na related by blood, by marriage, adoption, or strong emotional bonds, who often live together, provide mutual care, support, and sense of belonging. It acts as a primary group for your nurturing, socialization, and security. So, basically, yun eh. Pero kasi, alam mo, I was brought up in an environment na there is a mom, there's a dad. That's what makes up a family. But as I grow old, as I venture my lives from the Philippines here in Canada, naiba na yung perspective ko ng family. What is really family, di ba? Andiyan yung, di ba, ito medyo magiging deeper tayo kasi we're gonna be talking about yun sa mga OFW, right? Yung mga magigibang bansa, right? Like for me, I came here in Canada by myself. I don't have anyone here. I don't have any relatives. All I have is myself and yung mga kasamahan ko, kabatchmate ko sa McDonald's before when I came here. So, tinuring ko silang family. Yung mga nauna sa akin dito, tinuring ko silang mga kuya, ate, tatay. You know, yung mga mentor ko dito, sila yung mga tinuring kong family dito. Yun yung lagi ko sinasabi na sabi ko nga dun sa isa sa mga sa employer ko before, you are my second family here. You are my second family. Kasi, I consider them family because they take care of me. Yun nga yung definition ng family. So, again, yun yung sinasabi na, pero hindi ko naman sila kaano-ano. But they treat me like a family. Yun, di ba? Kaya nga nandiyan yung may adoption eh. Di ba, may adoption, or yung sinasabi ng family by choice. Kasi hindi lang naman eh. Marami akong nakikita dyan, magkaibigan. But they treat each other as family. And they live together. Diba? Yung mga kaibigan na yung roommates, ganyan. So, yung magkasandang dugo, diba?
Sanggang dugo, sanggang balikat, sanggang
lahat ng sangga, sinanggana. Oh, don't forget to share, subscribe, and like the video. Peace out.